this is a review of the Blackdecker leaf axle leaf blower that I would highly recommend. This leaf blower, it has pretty much all the settings that you would want when you do your lawnmower care, and you can see that it is 9 amps and it has two settings. One is a lightweight blower, and then there's a heavy duty one that does tough debris when you have a lot of leaves, and it does pretty much that. You can see that it is corded and it has two options like I mentioned, and then is one of the things I like about it is that it's very easy to assemble, and you can see it has a black piece right there attaches to here, so it was very easy to install. That's one of the huge pluses that I like about it. Another thing I like about it is that it is very small, compact size. It's lightweight. You can move it around pretty much anywhere. It's not even that heavy at all. I'm holding it and it's really like, it doesn't weigh at all. And another thing I like about it is two options right here. One's a light mode, then a heavy mode. And I'm gonna show you guys the different modes that it has. And without going further, let's demonstrate and show you guys how powerful this small, compact Blackdecker leaf blower is. So we're gonna test it out. Like I said, it has two options, the light mode and the heavy mode. The airflow is 450 cubic feet per minute, so it is pretty strong suction that I'm gonna be showing. So we're gonna start off with the light mode first. So without going any further, let's do that. So you can see that was the light mode. The suction is really powerful. Now we're gonna go try and do the heavy mode. So let's do the heavy mode. So you can see that was the heavy mode, two different options it gives you. This is probably by far my most favorite lawnmower accessories that you could have. I absolutely love the Blackdecker leaf axle blow dryer. It really is a small, compact product, but it delivers a huge load of airflow that it could finish the job faster when you do your driveway cleaning, your sidewalk cleaning, pretty much your lawnmower activities. It does the job much more faster than compared to other leaf blowers that probably doesn't have that strong suction as this one, and it is small, compact size, which is I love. I would highly recommend the Blackdecker leaf axle blow dryer.